Welcome to another video from Indzara.com. In this video, we will be doing a tour of our Sales Pipeline Manager Excel template. This is a premium template, which is a follow-up to the very popular Sales Pipeline Tracker Excel template that is free for download. I will be putting a link to both these templates in the video description below. In this video, I will focus on the purpose, the features, and the benefits of this Excel template. Now let's get started. The purpose of this Excel template is to provide a simple and effective solution to managing your sales deals. The template has an automated and interactive sales pipeline dashboard, which is what we are seeing here. This provides you the key performance indicators of your sales process, including number of deals won, how much money did the winning deals bring in, same thing for the deals that were lost, and also what is the conversion rate of your deals, how long does it take in average to close a deal, what's the average deal value. So all of this information is available to you at your fingertips, and the sales funnel shows you from the initial stage to the closing stage, how does your funnel drop off. For example, here we start with 60 deals and then we finally end with 18 deals being won, and that means it's a 30% conversion rate. But you can also see where there is a significant drop off. For example, from quote to a demo, there is a significant drop off. So this will allow you to identify areas that you need to modify or enhance so that you can increase your conversion rates. The template also provides you the average number of days taken to close a deal, whether it's a won deal or a lost deal, the average number of days taken for each stage in your sales pipeline process. So here you can see that the stage to convert to a deal to a lead is taking on average 7 days, but from the demo to close a deal, it takes about 16 days. The template shows you the conversion rate by month, and this allows you to see if your conversion rate is increasing or decreasing, and also the lost reason for the lost deals. So this will help you understand why was the deal lost, and you can see the top reasons, and this will allow you to make modifications to how your sales funnel process works, and then also maybe address some of the product features in order to address the gaps that the customers are indicating, and this will allow you to increase the conversion rates again. This dashboard is completely interactive, meaning you can filter by all these options here. So I can go and say, show me the deals from location Australia, and now everything gets updated for Australia. And similarly, you have 5 different filters that you can use in combination, one value, multiple value, and all that. It is fully flexible. Now, the second part of the dashboard here is about actionable insights. So the insights about, where the deals are being, which deals are being successful and which ones are not. So by default, we have these 5 options. So the lead source, industry, location, product, and company, which you can change and then look at these charts differently. For example, the number of deals that are won or lost, you can see that you're getting a lot of deals from the customer as a lead source, meaning from existing customers, and also from networking, but referral is relatively low. And then you can see the value in terms of currency here, the deal value from each of these lead sources, the conversion rate. So you can see that the customer is a higher conversion, but they are pretty close, with the lowest being the online channel. And then the number of days it takes to close, and you can see if they are different for each of your lead sources, and also the average deal value for each lead source. Now, if I want to look at it by industry, then I will just change industry and hit refresh. And now you'll see that these charts change to show me how all these metrics change by industry. And I can see that retail industry is my biggest industry in terms of volume of deals. However, the construction industry is where my conversion rates are higher. And in terms of average deal value, though, construction is lower slightly. It's not a big difference here. You can see that it's 5,770 versus 5,468. But the point here is that you will be able to see all these information by the industry slicer, and you can also change it by location. I'm sure you get the point here. So it's flexible, so you can get actionable insights to understand which deals are working so you can double down on those areas, or use this information to tweak the other areas which appear to be weak in order to increase the conversion rates there. And then all of this can be sliced by the month when the deal was created. So if I only want to look at deals that were created in July, this is what I would do. If I want to look at until the end of December, I do this, and this is how easy it is for us to work with this. I can go back to 2019 and everything updates instantly. And if I want to see all the dates, all I have to do is to go back here and get me the complete history. So very flexible, interactive, and automated dashboard at your fingertips. The next important feature here is that you can go to the active deal sheet, and this will give you a high-level overview of how many deals are currently in the pipeline, what's the total value. The template also will calculate the expected value. Expected value is the actual value weighted by the chance of success, meaning you will be entering a win percentage for each of the open deals, and that will be used to calculate how much do we really expect to convert from these active deals, how much money will we actually make, and then how long have they been in the pipeline, and this breaks it down by the stage, the value, expected value, and all that information. This is the projection. So we know that we are expecting $11,219, but when will we receive it? And this is projecting into the future, like February, March, April, May. And this also is used by input by the user on when they expect the deal to close. We'll use that information to project the future sales. Now, all of these insights and information in the dashboards do not require a whole lot of data entry in 5 different sheets and forms. None of that. All you have to do is to go and enter your deal information in this one sheet called deals, and each row here is a deal, and the fields that are required, the fields that are modifiable are clearly specified here. So for example, if we look at this deal, the deal 1, the deal value was this, it was created on this day, and it reached each of the stage in your funnel, these dates, and then you have all your attributes about the deal. You can enter it here, and then is it won or lost, and you can put in a close date when the deal was closed. So this is how easy and simplified the data entry and data management is in this template, which will give you all the insights. You can see that there are some red, dark red background filled. These are cells where there is a data entry error. So you'll also see a message at the top. If you have any data entry errors, the data validations are in place for informing you whether you're missing some values, whether the values are not accurate. You'll see the message. Just go ahead and update the correct information, and the error message will go away. So the data validations are very important feature of the template because it allows you to have accurate data, which is critical for useful and actionable insights. The other thing about this template is it's very customizable. So if you go to the stage settings sheet, you can customize the different stages in your business process. So I have entered 4. By default, the first stage, which is not mentioned here, will be the new stage, and the final stage will be the closing stage. And in between, there can be up to 10 stages. So totally 12 stages are supported, and you can rename them. You can also add more here if your process requires many more steps. Other part of customization is when you go to the deal sheet, you can see all of these deal attributes. They can be renamed and repurposed. So you can change this from lead source to some other column if you want to track some other attribute, and then they will still come through to the dashboard, and you will still be able to use insights about that attribute. So it's very plug and play or customizable to suit your needs. The other part of customization is also the dashboard, where you can actually, if you want to enlarge this chart or make it longer or shorter, because depending on the data that you have for your business process, you may want to resize the charts or rename them. So all you have to do is to go and unprotect the sheet with Indzara as password, and then you can customize the charts. Customize meaning resize or rename. You can easily do it without impacting the rest of the template, and then you can protect the sheet again. The template also has an additional module, which is optional, where you can go in and type in the activities related to the deals. So for example, if I want to be reminded of a certain event or an activity that I need to do with this certain deal. So let's say, for example, March 5th, I want to have a demo on one of these deals. So I can probably choose, let's say for deal 6, let's say I want to do a demo on March 5th. So now this will be a reminder for me, because then I can just open this up and then I can come in and say, let's say today is March 6th. Then I can just say, show me today's events or activities. And then I can just work on, the demo or whatever the activity may be. It may be a phone call that I need to make. It may be an email that I need to send, or it may be some research I need to do. Whatever it is, you can just type in whatever the activity type is, type your notes on what you actually did. And this is how it's a very, very simple table. There's nothing complicated about this, but it's a simple way to track all your sales activities. So here it says there is due today, there is one. So today is 9th February, and you will see that today I have this one due. So I need to work on it. If I finish it, all I have to do is email the details. And if you want to put in any notes, you can, but now it'll be, I've put that in, and now tomorrow it will no longer be a past due. So the reason why there is a past due is because 30th January, I should have done this activity, but I did not. So that is why it is showing past due. But if I did, completed, and now you'll see that there is nothing past due. And so this is how you can use this simple activities table to track all your sales activities related to your deals. So now that we have seen all the different features of the template, the requirements for the template are that you will need Excel for Windows 2013 or later, Excel for Mac 2016 or later, or you can use Excel online and then publish the file on OneDrive. And all of this information is going to be in one Excel file that you can download from Indzara.com. And then the template by default comes with 2000 deals, support for 2000 deals, but you can easily extend it. I'll provide the instructions if you need to have more than 2000 deals in one file. Now, just to recap, the benefits of the template are that you can understand how effective your sales funnel is. You can identify areas to improve in your sales funnel, any bottlenecks that take up the longest time in your sales process. You will have visibility to your current active pipeline. You will have the forecasted sales information. You will have very useful, actionable insights on what deals are working, so you can improve your sales through that information. And also you can track all the activities related to your customers and deals in this one Excel file. If you have any questions about this template, please reach out to me in the comment section below or email me at support@indzara.com. In the follow-up video, I will be doing a step-by-step instructions or demo on how to enter data into this template. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I will definitely get back to you. Thank you very much for watching.